Okay, this is my Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim Edition. So, I bought this for 35,000 straight payment from Silicon Valley. The technical specification, we have that. So many. The processor is i5. It has built-in 16 gigabyte of memory, and then storage is 512 SSD. It has an Intel UHD graphic. It has card reader. It has an audio chip. It has a built-in Windows built-in, and Office licenses comes with it for free, and you have a trial version of McAfee. And yeah, what else? Some interesting specs. Yes, it's very slim. It's for 35,000. This is just my backup laptop. So before I close that, so it can basically take a display from my green docking station. I have several docking station here, which means I can have as many monitor as I want. Just that can have two. Each one has two graphic port or display ports. I can definitely put in as many monitor as I want on this device. So this is pretty much cool for backup laptop. I think this is good for Office since it has 16 gigabyte of memory built in for Office work. This is very recommended. It has also an i5 Intel i5 processor. So yep, if you're into low end, medium end laptop that you can use for Office, you can use this Lenovo Slim. It's very slim. Okay, so just look like this. These are the port. It has just one. That's the card reader and the USB, and then you have here your USB-C, and then you have HDMI port, and then you have the USB port and the power supply, which I don't have any problem because I have a lot of USB hub and docking station. So yeah, again, this is for 35,000 for straight payment. The laptop is very slim. It's cool. It's okay for Office use. You have a pre-Office that comes with it. So yeah, I would give a 4-star rating for this. The downside is that you just have a 512 hard disk. And another feature, you have the finger scan reader there, which is very good for your security. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again for more next tech update.